Air fryer buffalo wings, perfect every time. Hey wing lovers, are restaurant quality buffalo wings actually possible at home without deep fryers or messy oil? Today we're revealing how air fryers are revolutionizing homemade wings, creating that perfect crispy outside, juicy inside texture that used to require professional equipment. Let's break down why air fryers have become the secret weapon for perfect buffalo wings and exactly how to make them. Traditional buffalo wings require deep frying at high temperatures, creating that distinctive, crispy exterior we all crave. But deep frying means dealing with quarts of hot oil, dangerous splatters, lingering smells, and a lot of added fat. Is there really a better way? The air fryer solves these problems through rapid air circulation technology. But does it actually work for wings? The answer is a resounding yes, and here's why. First, perfect texture. Air fryers create the ideal environment for wings by suspending them in constantly circulating superheated air. This environment draws moisture out of the skin rapidly while keeping the interior juicy. But here's the real question: can they get as crispy as deep-fried wings? With the right technique, absolutely. In fact, in blind taste tests, many people can't tell the difference between properly air-fried wings and traditional deep-fried ones. Second, healthier results. Did you know traditionally deep-fried wings can absorb up to 1/4 cup of oil during cooking? Air fryer wings need just a light spray of oil, cutting fat dramatically while still delivering that satisfying crunch. You get all the flavor with significantly less guilt. Third, convenience factor. What's easier, heating up a quart of oil and dealing with the messy aftermath, or simply tossing wings in a basket and pressing start? Air fryers eliminate the intimidation factor that keeps many home cooks from attempting wings in the first place. So, how do you make perfect air fryer buffalo wings? Here's the foolproof method. Step 1. Pat your wings completely dry with paper towels. This might seem minor, but it's absolutely crucial. Extra moisture is the enemy of crispiness. For even better results, let the dried wings sit uncovered in your refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours before cooking. This drying step makes a dramatic difference in the final texture. Step 2. Season your wings lightly. A simple combination of salt, pepper, and garlic powder works perfectly. Or just salt if you prefer to let the buffalo sauce do the talking. Toss the wings in just 1 to 2 teaspoons of baking powder along with your seasonings. This is the pro secret that creates extra crispy skin. Step 3. Arrange wings in a single layer in your air fryer basket. Don't crowd them. Working in batches is much better than cramming them all in. Space allows the hot air to circulate properly around each wing piece. Step 4. Cook at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Then flip the wings and increase temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for another 6 to 8 minutes. This 2-stage cooking process renders the fat perfectly before finishing with high heat for maximum crispiness. Step 5. While still hot, toss in your favorite buffalo sauce. The classic mixture is Frank's Red Hot sauce mixed with melted butter in a 2-to-1 ratio. For extra flavor complexity, add a splash of Worcestershire sauce and a pinch of garlic powder to your buffalo sauce. Have you tried making wings in your air fryer? What's your favorite sauce? Drop a comment below with your wing secrets or questions. If this video helped you perfect your wing game, hit that like button, subscribe for more air fryer magic, and tap the notification bell so you never miss our latest recipes and techniques. Until next time, helping you discover better ways to cook the foods you love.